everybody, welcome back. I'm tackling a huge project today. My closet. I'm only going to be doing my side of the closet today because my husband is very particular about how he likes to organize his stuff. But I wanted to take you through how I organize my closet because something I found over the years is that how you organize your closet absolutely makes things so much easier in the future. And it's not just about going and getting clothes on a day-to-day basis, but I'm talking long-term benefits here. So today I'm gonna clean up my closet, reorganize everything, and walk you through some of my best tips and tricks for that. First things first, you've got to pull everything out of your closet, and it always has to get worse before it gets better. Once I've got it all out, then what I'm going to start doing is going through each and every piece of clothing and deciding if I actually still want it, because there's a lot of things that I've had for a while or that I am like, oh, I'll wear this eventually, and you never end up wearing it. So I'm just sorting through to clear out all of those. Okay, now that I've reached the end of that stack, I'm gonna go back through and I'm gonna pull out some clothes that are either not in season or that don't fit me because I'm pregnant, but I know I will want afterwards. So I can put them into storage and clean out some space in my closet just since I won't be wearing them for the next 6 months or so. So I'm pulling everything out and then it gives me more hangers, which I feel like we're always in desperate need of. Okay, I'm moving into my closet now that I've organized all my clothes out on my bed, and I just kind of have like a bunch of stuff on here that just kind of gets shoved underneath the clothes that I just need to kind of figure out where I want it to go. And I also have up here, I definitely have a lot of storage space at the top. Like, you know, I've got a good couple feet before the top, and I can move some stuff up there, and some of the stuff down here is supposed to go up there. So anyways, I'm just gonna sort through that so that way I have only the stuff that I actually want right here, and can just kind of put some things away. So now that this is all cleaned off, this is some letter writing things that I have that are kind of too big to fit in my desk, but I write letters fairly often, so I want them pretty accessible so I don't have to climb all the way up there. I am too short for that, and I'm pregnant, and it's just not gonna happen. So then in here I just have like some sweatshirts that I don't use all the time. I don't even know if I fit in them, to be honest, at this point, but I have them just in case, so I just stuck them in this little bag so they're kind of tucked away. But I have all this all cleared off, and I'll probably end up putting baby stuff on here just as we're kind of stockpiling everything. So I kind of want that space available for all the baby things. But then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all my clothes on here. So there's a couple different ways that I go about organizing like how I have my clothes. So the first thing I look for is sleeve length / type. So if I have all my short sleeves, all my long sleeves, you know, so obviously sleeve lengths. But then I also kind of subdivide it depending on what it is. Like, I don't put all of my t-shirts intermixed with my like jackets. So just because it's a long sleeve doesn't mean they all go together. So I'll have like long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, blouses, and then I'll do a separate section for my jackets. You know, I might put my sweaters all together. I only have one that fits right now. I'll kind of put them into categories, and then from there I do color coding all of them. So each category is color coded. I do brown, cream, white, pink, red, orange. I don't think I have anything orange, but orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, black. So that's my like color organization. So now I'm going to take all of my clothes that were on my bed and I'm going to start bringing them in here to make it all organized and beautiful. Oh, the other thing I just remembered that I forgot to mention, I'm actually going to put everything, instead of putting it like, oh, I'm just going to put it on, I'm going to turn everything backwards, because then as I wear stuff and wash stuff, I'll put it right side in like this. So then I'm able to see, based on the way my hanger is hanging, if I've worn something or not. I try to do that for like a season or like 6 months, because then I can really see what haven't I worn, and then I probably don't need it. And then I also think it's helpful too when I'm like looking at like, oh, what should I wear today? I can look and see which hangers are facing the wrong direction so that I know, oh, I haven't worn that. I should wear that if I like it so I can keep it. So that's one of my other hacks for organizing. I think it just makes it a lot easier, especially if you're trying to like do a capsule wardrobe, or for me, as I think about building a new wardrobe after pregnancy, I think about, okay, what staples am I missing? And it's like, okay, I might have a white t-shirt, but if I never wear it because I don't like it, then I need to replace that white t-shirt with a white t-shirt that I will actually wear. So it's very helpful in gauging your taste, how your taste changes over time, but also just, you know, what do you reach for often? So that's one of my best hacks for making sure that your closet stays organized and that you are actually owning things that you wear instead of just having all these clothes that are just wasting space in your closet. That's how I organize my closet. I think it just gives so much order, and it's just nice to see all like the rainbow colors and just knowing exactly where everything is. So that way I just know, okay, I want to wear this tomorrow. I know exactly where to grab it. It makes finding clothes so much easier. Flipping the hangers backwards really does make a huge difference in just being able to track what you're wearing and be able to see what needs to go or what you need to wear. So hopefully some of those things definitely helped you. I know cleaning the closet is never the easiest or funnest project, but I definitely think when I do a big closet organization, it just makes me feel better because I feel like I'm restarting. So I would definitely recommend doing it about every season or so, just a big closet clean out. That way you can see what you've got, see what you need, what you don't, be able to reorganize everything, restore some order. And I think for me right now, having a baby, it's like, okay, clean, do everything I can now before I get too huge and before baby comes. So definitely very, very helpful in my opinion for that. Hopefully you enjoyed kind of watching me clean and organize and sort through my closet, and let me know down below what your tips and tricks are for cleaning your closet and organizing it, because I'm always looking for new organizational hacks. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe down below so you can get more content like this on a weekly basis. We'll see you guys next week, and hopefully that inspired you to get working on your closets.